In this video, we will see how to make a payout. Payout basically includes the hotel's personal expenses like newspaper bill, telephone charges, internet charges and miscellaneous expenses incurred by the hotel. Click on the navigation bar, and select Back Office and click on Payout. Select New to create a new payout. Fill in all the details such as voucher number, bill to, registration number or GST number of the vendor. Select the charge for which the payment is being made. Enter the charges. And click on Add. After adding the charges, click on Save and then add the settlement. This is the process which has to be done to add a payout. To preview or print the voucher, select and edit the voucher. Select the charges and select Print to print the voucher and Preview to preview the payout voucher. A detailed report can be generated from the system to check the details of the payout. Go to Report View and check the Daily Payable Voucher Report. Let's check out now what is paid out and when it is being used. Paid outs are expenses made by the hotel on behalf of the guest, and the same is later charged to the guest room account or invoice. Example: doctor fees paid, medicines purchased, cash against credit card. Click on the navigation bar and select Back Office and click on Paid Out Vouchers. Fill in all the details such as voucher number, bill to, registration number or GST number of the vendor. Select the charge. Enter the amount paid to the vendor, and click on Add. After adding the charges, click on Save and Add Settlement. Since this is paid out voucher, it will be posted to the rooms, therefore select the folio number to which the charges needs to be posted. And select the payment type through which the hotel has made the payment and process payment. After processing the payment, it will be posted to the room under Extra Charge, and a payout entry will be created in Payout. The same report Daily Payable Voucher will show the details of paid out as well. Go to Report View and check the Daily Payable Voucher Report. Now let's see how to create a payable charge. Open Front Desk Configuration. Go to Configuration and select Extra Charge. To create a new charge, click on New and enter the name of charges like telephone charges. Select the category, enter the tax values which are applicable and enter the amount. The amount will be open, and when you make a payout, different amount can be entered. Select Payable as it's an expense and save. The payable is created successfully. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries or feedback, please visit our 24/7 live chat support.